Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, we are in November. And when we start a new month, well, we always take a look at the Windows market share. So what happened in October? Well, it's pretty much a standard. Windows 11 continued to grow. So from September at 52.9, it went up to 55.2 ish. So it's growing, and it's growing at a healthy pace now. And this shows that Windows 11 is now the operating system that the majority of people are using. And this is worldwide. And of course, Windows 10 went from 43.8 to 41.7, so losing about 2%. So we could see that technically Windows 11 is now dominant. Windows 10 is going down. It's still a high number, though, 40%. That we got to admit that. And so that extra year is going to be very helpful. If you look at the data from specific markets, what's interesting to see is, for example, what we just seen is North America is the world. But if you look at North America, look at that, 63.9% on Windows 11, only 33%. One out of three computers are running Windows 10. Once again, still a big number, but Windows 11 is really, there's two Windows 11 machines running for one Windows 10 now in North America. So people are moving on, and that's the way it is. And it is to expect. That's the way it always has been over time. So this is the numbers. And of course, depending on where you are around the world, it's not always the same. If we look at Asia, for example, in Asia, Windows 10 is still ahead in Asia, 49.8 against 47.2 for Windows 11. You know, markets where people have less money to spend on a new computer, it shows that, you know, they're still sticking with Windows 10, and it depends on where you are in the world. But overall, Windows 11 now is taking its advance, and it's going to continue, gaining more and more market share as we go into the next year. So these are the numbers for October. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.